Today we have with us Mukund Shastri, who has 29 years of experience in multiple industries across data, analytics, and AI. Hi Mukund, welcome to Crio.Do.
Hi Krishna, nice meeting you.
Mukund, if you could tell us briefly about the various sectors that you worked in over the last 30 years, that'll be really great.
Yeah, surely. So actually, I myself focus as a data analytics expert or SME, I would say, data analytics and AI. And this being a technology horizontal, it overlapped with multiple verticals. And the verticals have been manufacturing, telecom, retail, banking, and some government also, where I could get chance to actually talk about their solutioning, etc. So my span is across multiple industries for data analytics, AI, Gen AI, and also big data.
Okay.
Right? It covered up. I started with analytics and AI, analytics originally, data warehouse and analytics, where we were doing the data intelligence for the customers, and where the end user is a business user to take a decision. Right? So that's the decision intelligence. Gradually, the scope increased, and it increased from data and analytics to big data, because that's what the base for AI, right? So AI needed larger data to make its decision or prediction. So big data helped out for variety and volume of data, and that is where my focus in terms of last 10 years before was on how do I get the big data for the benefit of organization. Once big data came in, gradually AI also started pitching in the market, because now there was, as an industry, larger set of data was available, and on that data, AI could now pick up the understanding, training of the models with the help of big data. That is where I also learned AI. So I am more of a self-trained guy. Train yourself, implement that training, whatever you implemented, and bring value to business.
Right.
So I got trained on AI, and that training I done postgraduate diploma in AI ML from MIT University sometime before, and that is something Comviva as a company has given me a chance to actually create their AI center of excellence from scratch. They hired me from Ericsson. So that's where my AI journey started. So it is data analytics AI, and now generative AI has come in, which is part of AI from the conversational AI perspective. And generative AI is, we are now in a process of finding out different use cases, how do I implement it across product, across processes, improving the productivity of people. So that is where generative AI is now helping me out. So my journey has been data, analytics, AI, and generative AI. That's what so far.
Excellent. I think that sums up your career so far. Maybe
Yes.
at this point of time, can you tell us some of the exciting use cases that you're working on, whether it is in data analytics, AI, or Gen AI?
Yeah.
But maybe if you can take a couple of sectors and explain to us the use cases that you're working on.
Yes, a couple of cases which I have worked. I have worked around 120 plus use cases for telco sector recently on AI, and those use cases are more focused on marketing.
Okay.
They are on sales and distribution. They are also on recharge management. They are also on billing. Currently, I'm doing on order management area also. So these use cases across all these 120, what is the benefit AI has given to the organization, that I would like to highlight on.
Sure.
Let's take an example for marketing. In marketing, the core problem the marketer has is, how do I retain my customers, right? And generally in telco, if you see about, it's around 6 to 7% churnability of the customer that happens every year. And how do I reduce that churnability, right? That's the retention management. For retention management, traditionally it was rule-based marketing that people used to do. Send an offer based upon set of customers, their value, their likelihood of leaving the services, right? Basis some of the triggers, right? For example, they are not calling for quite some time. They are not using the services for some time. They made complaint to the call center. With all these triggers, they used to do it.